Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome to Tammy 老师的汉语课室 Tammy's Mandarin Classroom. I'm thrilled to have you learning along with me. As long as you put full effort in this course, you can be assured to gain confidence in speaking Mandarin. As the old saying goes, when there's a will, there's a way. I truly believe that you will gain what you are looking for in this course. Have fun learning!
In the first chapter, I will introduce greetings, 问候语 greetings, 问候语 In this chapter, there are 3 parts. In the first part, you will be guided to learn and practice greetings. In the second part, you will learn to introduce yourself. In the part 3, we are going to learn Hanyu Pinyin, which is the standard Mandarin pronunciation. You can also say it's a romanization of pronunciation. Now we are going to do the part 1, 第一部分 Greetings, 问候语问候语The first thing we're going to learn is hi and hello. This is how we say hi and hello in Mandarin.
你好，你好，你好。
Alright, now we're gonna do a little practice. 练习时间 means time for practice. When someone say 你好 to you, you say 当有人对你说你好，你说你好，你好，你好。I hope you get it right. Let's do another practice. 我们再练习一下。当有人对你说你好，你说 When someone say 你好 and you say 你好，你好，你好。Next, we are learning to greet how are you. Let's practice along.
你好吗？你好吗？你好吗？你好吗？
Great! It's almost the same like 你好 for hi. There's a ma as it's a question. Whenever you hear a ma at the end, most probably the person whom you are talking to is asking you a question. In response to 你好吗, when we want to say I'm fine, how about you? This is what we will say.
我很好，你呢？我很好，你呢？我很好，你呢？我很好，你呢？
Nice one, 很棒. Like you see here, 我很好 is I'm fine. 我很好 I'm fine. 你呢 is how about you. How about you? 你呢？你呢？我很好，你呢？ Next, let's continue to respond to 我很好，你呢？ This is how we say I'm fine, thank you.
我也很好，谢谢。我也很好，谢谢。我也很好，谢谢。我也很好，谢谢。
So here, 我也很好 means I am fine too. 我也很好 I'm fine too. Thank you is 谢谢，谢谢 Thank you. 我也很好，谢谢。